2 or 3 weeks back I purchased this helmet. There's always something nice about removing the wrapper. Easy peasy. In life, there's a solution for any of the logical or a practical problem. But if you don't find a solution for it, there'll always be a workaround for that. Well, on that note, let's start off the vlog then. Another day, another vlog. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today what we're gonna be doing is, I'll be showing a complete setup of the GoPro on a helmet along with the Bluetooth connectivity as well. I'll be giving a complete demo of that in this video. Without further ado, let's get started. These are the items which are needed to set up your GoPro and your Bluetooth device to the helmet. First of all, you need this Bluetooth device. This I picked it up from Amazon and it works really well. Main thing is it does not have an intercom facility, but you can make calls and you can listen to your FM and music as well. Since I was short of budget, I thought I'll just try out this one until I pick up a Sena or some other intercom device, so I can manage with this. This is the GoPro mount. This is where you can mount your GoPro mic adapter, and this is an essential because you do not want the mic adapter to be dangling around your helmet, or you do not want to stick it on a velcro or something. This is kind of a very neat product. I feel this will make the setup look even more neat. This is the Boya BY-M1 mic. I did try a lot of other lapel mics which costed around 200 or 300 odd rupees. They never gave a sound output at all. This Boya BY-M1, it is a lapel mic and it works absolutely fine with the GoPro. This does an absolutely great job. I've tried it with a couple of other GoPros as well, and this is the only mic you will need to fix to a GoPro mic. And of course, this is the GoPro mic adapter. To put it in simple terms, the GoPro audio output which is available in it, it will never get activated until and unless you put a genuine GoPro mic adapter. Come across people who have tried other mic adapters, but it will never work, trust me. So there's no other go around for this. You will have to pick up this GoPro mic adapter and you will have to shell out around 3,900 to 4,100 odd rupees. Of course, you'll need a helmet. I've already stuck a GoPro mount here. So this is very easy. You can purchase any GoPro mount with a 3M sticker and fix it here. Some people tend to fix it here, and some people do it on the sides as well. So depending upon which angle you want the GoPro to be mounted, you can do it there. My suggestion, you guys do it here, because the point of view which you see or the point of view which the GoPro sees will be kind of very natural. Initially what we're going to be doing is, we'll be taking out the chin pads. You need not remove it in full. Again, the pasting which they've done, it will go for a toss. But if you remove a couple of buckles here, you can have access to your cheek guards. My suggestion is, you first mount or stick your Bluetooth earpiece inside the cheek guards and then place the lapel mic. So obviously you can't paste your Bluetooth earbuds or the earplugs over the lapel mic. Let's start the mounting then. To be fair, this is a bit of a tedious process, but have your patience and you will get everything right. Be careful before you mount your Bluetooth which side you want this to be in. Ideally it will always be to the left, and hence the left side earpiece wire is a bit short when compared to the right side earbud. Like you see, the wire is long for the right one. It will go all the way behind your helmet and come there. So just be considerate of that. Before you set up your Bluetooth device, always make sure just to connect the wires once and then make a call or hear some music and to see if it actually works. You do not want to be stuck in a situation wherein the Bluetooth device doesn't work once you've done all the hard work of setting it up into the helmet. So the pairing of this device is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is charge your device, power up the battery here, just hold on to it like this. This light will start blinking. So if it's blinking red, white and blue, so it is looking for a Bluetooth connection. And there's a volume up and a volume down button here. It's just a simple plus and minus. And this button which you see here is just to receive and end calls. So it's a very simple and a neat setup. So once your Bluetooth is connected, try to play some music and make a couple of calls. and just to check if everything is working fine with the device. I just try to play some music and check to see if it works. Yes. Also try making a couple of calls and see if the mic output is fine. If everything is good, go ahead and start the installation procedure then. This is the plaster. Take the sticker like this. Make sure the opening which is there, the wire can come out like that. So what I'm going to be doing is, this is the Boya mic. So ideally this is a 3.5 mm jack which goes to the GoPro mic adapter, and I've kind of rolled it here. So I've left this much wire for the mic. It can come somewhere close to your mouth, and I've left this much wire so that it can be plugged into the GoPro mic adapter. So let's get into it then. So now here what I've done is, the case which I said, I've taken the case, I've put the GoPro inside it, and as you see, this is the mic adapter of the GoPro. I've put the mic adapter like this. It's come out. The wire I've twirled it and fixed to the GoPro. You'll have to remove the cap and put it into the slot here, and then I've just swirled it so that it gives a neat look. And ideally you're supposed to do that. If you do it the other way around, it will kind of protrude here, and when you do this, your GoPro will no longer be waterproof. So just keep that in mind. Guys, I forgot to tell you that you'll have to pick up a J mount. If you take the straight mount and put it to your helmet, again the angle, you cannot set any of the angles, whichever you need. So this is the eventual setup. So what I've done is, I've stuck the GoPro to the left somewhere here, and the wire has come out from here. The main wire has come out from here, and I've stuck it like this, which comes from the left, and here I've left this much amount of wire so that once I fix in the GoPro, it can get into the slot very easily. This is the J mount along with another couple of extensions. Now it is kind of getting difficult to mount without seeing where the actual mount is. Okay guys, eventually I got this in slot, and now you'll just have to lock it in, and that's it. Take this and put it inside the adapter, switch on your GoPro, and you're all set. And trust me, a biker will never have a proper hairstyle with whatever hair you have. Also, you cannot keep it clean. This is the actual recording without the mic. I just hope it doesn't come out clear, because the mic which I've set up should be of no use then. And now this is the footage wherein I've connected the mic, and I am going in speeds excess of 60, and now I've flown, and I'm now close to 80 kilometers. I hope there's no wind blast coming through, and then I just hope the audio is clear, because once you're going out for a long ride, you do not want the wind blast to be coming in heavily. I mean, there will be wind blast, there will be air seeping in, but the maximum it reduces, the better it is. I hope that should be sufficient enough to gauge the mic. That's it guys, and if you like this hard and stressful and exhausting video for whatever reason, please comment down below, and do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe icon. Cheers guys, bye bye.